Welcome to the Easy English Exercise channel, where you learn English in an easy way. Today, we will practice slow English listening together. You will learn how shadowing can help you speak better. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident with English sounds and words. Let's begin this journey together. Listening is one of the most important skills in English. When you listen carefully, you start to understand how English really sounds. Many learners feel nervous when they hear English speakers. The words come too fast. The sounds seem difficult. But today, we will go slowly, very slowly. I want you to relax. Take a deep breath. You are in the right place. Slow listening practice helps your brain get comfortable with English sounds. When you hear words slowly, you can notice each sound. You can feel how the words connect. This is the first step to better speaking. Here's what you can do right now. Find one English podcast or video that has slow speaking. Listen to just 2 minutes of it today. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just let your ears get used to the sounds. Your brain is already starting to work. You are training your ears. Every time you listen, you improve. Good. Now let's talk about what shadowing really means. Shadowing is a special technique. It means you listen to English words and repeat them immediately. You follow the speaker like a shadow. This method helps you in many ways. First, it trains your pronunciation. When you copy a native speaker, your mouth learns the correct movements. Second, it improves your rhythm. English has a special music to it. Some words are stressed, some are quiet. Shadowing helps you feel this rhythm naturally. Third, it builds your confidence. When you practice repeating, you become brave. You stop being afraid of speaking. Let me give you an example. Listen to this simple sentence. I like to drink coffee in the morning. Now repeat after me. I like to drink coffee in the morning. Say it with me one more time. I like to drink coffee in the morning. Did you notice how the words flow together? That's the music of English. Here's a simple step you can take today. Choose 3 short sentences from any English video. Write them down. Then say each sentence 10 times out loud. Do this while you cook dinner or take a walk. This small action will train your mouth muscles to move correctly. Shadowing works because you are active. You are not just listening. You are participating. Your voice matters. When you speak, even if you make mistakes, you are learning. Let's practice together right now. English is not difficult. Repeat. English is not difficult. One more time. English is not difficult. You completed that exercise. Now your mouth knows that sentence. This is how progress happens, step by step. Many students ask me, how fast should I shadow? The answer is simple. Start very slow. There is no rush. When you are learning, slow is good. Slow is smart. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby does not run immediately. The baby takes small, careful steps. You are doing the same with English. You are taking small, careful steps with your speaking. Here is something important. You don't need to understand every word to practice shadowing. Yes, you heard that correctly. Even if you don't know the meaning of every word, your mouth can still practice the sounds. Understanding will come later. Right now, we are training your pronunciation and your listening together. Let me show you. Listen to this. The weather today is beautiful. Now you try. The weather today is beautiful. Let's do it together. The weather today is beautiful. Notice the word weather. It has a special sound. Weather. Say it slowly. Weather. 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 Good work. Here's your action for tonight. Before you go to sleep, say 5 things you see in your bedroom in English. I see my bed. I see my lamp. I see my book. I see my phone. I see my pillow. Speak slowly and clearly. This connects English to your real life. Another important point is repetition. When you repeat the same sentence many times, it enters your memory. Your brain starts to remember it automatically. Then one day, you will use that sentence naturally in a conversation. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is powerful. Let's practice one more sentence. I am learning English every day. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. Say it with me. I am learning English every day. You tried that sound. Now it's part of you. Now let's talk about finding the right materials for shadowing practice. You need to choose content at your level. This is very important. If the English is too fast or too difficult, you will feel frustrated and confused. You may stop practicing because it feels impossible. If it's too easy, you won't improve, and you may feel bored. The goal is to find something that is a little challenging, but still understandable. That balance helps your brain learn faster and with more confidence. For A1 and A2 learners, look for videos or audio that say slow English or beginner level. These materials are made for you. They are designed to help learners build confidence step by step. They use simple vocabulary. They repeat common phrases. They speak at a comfortable speed, not too fast and not too slow. You can find them on YouTube, language learning apps, or podcast platforms. Many teachers create free content just for beginners, so you have many choices. Here's what you can do right now. Open your phone and search Slow English Listening A1 on YouTube. Don't overthink it. Just choose videos that feel calm and clear. Save 3 videos to a playlist called My English Practice. This small action is powerful. Watch 1 video this week, just 1. This gives you a clear starting point and removes the pressure of doing too much at once. Starting small makes it easier to continue. When you shadow, use headphones if possible. Headphones help you hear every detail. You can notice small sounds, stress, and rhythm that you might miss with regular speakers. You may hear how words connect together in natural speech. Also, practice in a quiet place. Turn off distractions. Put your phone on silent if you can. Your brain needs to focus on the sounds without interruptions. A quiet space helps your mind stay calm and present. Try shadowing for just 5 minutes at first. 5 minutes is enough. You don't need to practice for 1 hour. Long practice can make you tired and unfocused. Short, focused practice is better than long, tired practice. After 5 minutes, rest. Drink some water. Breathe. Then try another 5 minutes later in the day if you want. 2 short sessions are better than 1 long session. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you are shadowing a video about daily routines. The speaker says, I wake up at 7 o'clock. You repeat, I wake up at 7 o'clock. The speaker says, I brush my teeth. You repeat, I brush my teeth. You are copying the sounds, the rhythm, and the confidence. This is simple. This is effective. You are improving with every sentence, even if you don't feel it yet. Some learners like to shadow with subtitles. That's okay for beginners. You can read the words while you hear them. This helps you connect spelling with pronunciation. It also helps you feel more secure. But try to look at the subtitles less and less as you improve. Cover part of the screen or look away sometimes. Your ears should be your main teacher. Listening is the key to natural speaking. The most important thing about shadowing is consistency. Doing it once won't change your English. Doing it twice won't change much either. But doing it every day, even for a few minutes, will transform your speaking. Think of it like watering a plant. One time is not enough, but a little water every day makes the plant grow strong and beautiful. Your English is the same. A little practice every day makes your English grow strong and beautiful. Don't worry if you feel tired sometimes. That's normal. Learning uses energy, especially when you use your brain in a new language. But don't stop. Keep going. Even on days when you feel lazy or busy, shadow just one sentence. Just one. That one sentence keeps your habit alive and reminds you that you are learning. Now let's practice a few more sentences together. These sentences use common English words. Listen and repeat. I understand English better now. Say it with me. I understand English better now. Next sentence. Practice makes me stronger. Repeat. Practice makes me stronger. Last one. I believe in my progress. Say it with me. I believe in my progress. You practiced those sounds. You used your voice. You showed up for yourself. Every time you open your mouth and speak English, you are winning. You are becoming the English speaker you want to be. Take a moment and feel proud. You are here. You are trying. You are learning. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You learned about slow listening and shadowing. You understand now that these methods can improve your speaking naturally. Remember, every time you listen and repeat, you are making progress. You are training your voice and your ears together. Your 7-day challenge starts now. Every morning this week, when you wake up, practice shadowing for exactly 5 minutes. Set your phone alarm for the same time each day, maybe 7:30 a.m., as your practice reminder. Days 1 and 2. Find one slow English video and shadow just 3 sentences from it. Repeat each sentence 5 times. Days 3 and 4. Use the same video and shadow 5 sentences. Try to do it without looking at subtitles. Days 5, 6, and 7. Choose a new video and shadow for the full 5 minutes. At the end of each day, put a check mark on your calendar. After this week, you can continue with the app called Elsa Speak. It helps you practice pronunciation with immediate feedback. You can also search shadowing practice for beginners on YouTube to find more materials. Your next step after this challenge is to shadow while you do daily activities like cooking or walking. This makes English part of your life. You have everything you need to succeed. Start tomorrow morning. Be patient with yourself. You're doing great, and I believe in you.